Hey everyone, it's the Redstone programmer, and today we're going to be building the RAM for our Redstone computer. So RAM is basically just memory that our computer can use to store numbers whenever we need it to. So first we're going to go to the output of our ALU and get these outputs a little bit closer. Whoops. Kind of like this. Then we're going to move it up one, but first we're going to add some repeaters. And we're going to go up one like this and just bring this out a little bit. Okay, now place redstone dust on top of all this. Okay, now here we are going to start making the RAM. So what we're going to do is we're going to place a torch here, 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 and here. Bring this down. Now I need to do that to all of these. Okay, and bridge these out one more. We can break this here. Now the memory cell we're going to be using is a bit different from last time. Actually, we're going to need to be adding one more piece of redstone dust on all this. There. Now the memory cell we're going to be using looks kind of like this. It looks exactly like this. You can break this here if that does bug out. Okay, so basically, here's our input. If we save it, as you can see it's a 1, that's because it will be inverted, but then it'll be inverted again. But if we have a 1 on this line, and we... Oh wait, oops, okay. So if we have a 1 on, or if we save it, and it's a 0, it will save as a 1. If we save it and it's a 1, it will save as a 0, and then we'll just invert it again. So now, if we stack this a little bit, can break this, and we can place that here. So we stack 3. Okay, then come over here, break this, and let's hope this works. Stack 3, and it did. Okay, so as you can see, we now have 4 RAM modules of 4 bits. So we have 2 bytes of RAM. So now I'm just going to add some repeaters. And we'll just put them here. Okay, so now that we have the RAM write system, so we can write a number into a RAM cell, we now need to create the read system so we can read that number back out. So to do this, we are going to come down here and place 2 up like this, and blocks in the middle. Whoops. And dust on top of that, torches like this, and torches like this. So right now a 0 is saved in, so let's read and we should get 0. But if we say write a 3 here, save it, as you can see nothing is being outputted, but if we read it, a 3 is being outputted because we saved it 3 originally. Okay, so now we need to stack this formation. We will take from right here as position 1, and here as position 2, and we will stack 3. Okay, perfect. Okay, so now that we're able to read from the RAM cells, we now need to make a system that buses whatever we read all the way back into the inputs of the ALU. So how we're going to do this is we are going to place 1 here, 2 here, or 3 here, 5 here, and 7 here. And actually, we can replace all these with repeaters. Okay, so our bus is going to look like this. Whoops. Like this. Destroy these. Actually, no, keep those. They're important. And destroy these here. Okay, then we pretty much have to do this to all of them. Okay, now you're going to want to put redstone dust along all of these. Okay, now we're going to take this as position 1, and let's see, it looks like it already has position 2 set perfectly for me. So I'm just going to stack this 3 times, and there we go. And now repeaters. So just take a lever. We can actually do this to just 1. Come over here. Let's see, so it needs a repeater there. Do not place repeaters in the little dips. That's the one thing that can mess everything up. Just place them around. There we go, that works. And we actually need to do this to all of them. So as you can see here, we can place them like this. And we can place them, I guess we could do like this. So there we go. We are pretty much finished. Now for a quick demonstration. In the next video, we will bus this all the way back, but right now we don't need to. So now if we have a 3 here, we'll save that to the first one. Then let's save a 5 to the second one. And let's save an 8 to the third one. So now, if we read from the first one, we get 3. If we read from the second one, we get 5. And if we read from the third one, we get 8. Perfect. Okay, that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe and like, and see you next time.